Hello guys, what's up? Today I'll be teaching you how to solve the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. Now the 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube is one of the most hardest puzzles that I ever tried to solve, but it's not that hard. So today I'm going to be teaching you the beginner's method, which I found which was very easy. It will take a little bit of memorization and a little bit of common sense, but it's the best beginner's method in my perspective. I'll be showing two beginners methods which I find very easy. There'll be a part 2 to this video which will show another way how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So let's start. Now the first step to solving the Rubik's Cube, you need to make a pattern like this. This is a daisy with white edges, center, corners. Okay, the corners can be anything, but it's supposed to be like this. Okay, so now for a basic understanding of how the cube is, this is a corner piece. I'll just show you one thing for an example. Okay. This is a corner piece. This is a corner piece. Focus, come on, man. This is a corner piece with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see, if you try to solve the Rubik's Cube by only solving one side, you will find that you will not be able to solve it, because not all the pieces are alike. So this is a corner piece with 3 sides. This is nothing, 3 sides. This is an edge piece, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, and these are center pieces. They never move. They will always be for example, orange will be always be opposite of red, white will always be opposite of yellow, and blue will always be opposite of green. And if you look at this way, blue, red. So this is how you know that your cube is perfect. Okay, now let's get on to the solving. So the first step was making a daisy. So first let's scramble the cube here and let's get on with this. Okay, first way to do the daisy is like to make like a pattern over here. So locate the yellow center, white, orange, blue, yellow. Okay, so yellow center is here. Okay, now you find these edge pieces which are blue, which have white on them. Only white, not these corner pieces which have 3. Only white pieces. So let's take this one. This located. Now this one is 2 moves away, but if we do like this, it will take out the one which is already in there. So if we can just shift the top face and then go back over there and then do like this, then it will be doing like that. Then we can do. But this is also before putting this one, we can insert this one. Then you can do a F2, sorry. So then you will have a pattern like this. But it doesn't matter if you have one extra piece which is over here, it's okay. Now the next step is to make a white cross. A white cross will sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, a white cross will look like this. It doesn't matter if it has, for example, 1 in, it just needs to have this plus sign. So first step, after making these, now there are 2 stickers, the white and then the corresponding sticker with it. So in this case it's blue. Now first find the blue center. The blue center is here. So take like this is matched. Now if you look for other pieces which are matched, now orange is also matched. So we can get this down. So we'll have the part like this. Okay, now we can take it here, match this and get this down. Then we can take the red one here and you keep doing like that, and then your white plus will be made. Okay, now the next step is to solve the first layer. So there are 3 stickers now, 1, 2, 3. So find the ones with white one, and the white one is supposed to be outside. Now next to forget the top one sticker on the top. Now look at the white sticker which is here. So taking this piece, keeping it in mind, you take it here, and because it's green outside, you match it with green. Then the top is, then you will enter it like this. This is L prime U L. Okay. Now if a piece is down here, what you can do is flip the cube, R, D, R, like this. Okay, flip it. It's already matched for you, so you can just put a direct insert. Now what happens if you have a top face? Now you want this top sticker to go under a sticker opposite. Its opposite should not be a white sticker. For example, here is an opposite sticker. It should not be like this. You should take it here because there is no place on this. So R U, so you do the smooth R U R prime, R U R prime U prime. It's matched, inserted. Okay, now let's find for edge pieces which don't have yellow on it. For example, this one. This is a red and blue piece. So look at the blue center. Look at the blue center which is here. So opposite of blue, as I said, was green. So take it to the green center, this piece. Then take out this piece out where it's supposed to be. Now you have to match it again like you did for the first layer. And like this. Okay. Now this is the blue. Now this is a green and red sticker. So get it on the green center, matched. Top is red. So red is here, to take it to orange. Take it out and insert it. Now this is again a green sticker with orange on top, but orange is here, not here. So you'll have to take it to red, and then you'll have to take it out like this, and then flip the cube and take it out like this, performing the same moves. Okay, now you can locate the last one. Here it is. So you'll take it here. Take it, because there's blue on top, so take it to green, take it out, put it back in. Now what happens if you, now you might see, sometimes you might have a case where the second layer is not solved, so you look for the piece which is flipped. Now this piece is flipped. It's supposed to be like this. It should just get flipped. So what you should do for this is perform these moves: R U R prime U prime. Take this, insert it. Now take the piece here, take it over here because there's red on top, so red is here, to take it to orange. Take this out piece where it's supposed to go, inside, and then your second layer will be solved with the first layer and the white side. Now let's go to second layer. Okay, so now what happens when you will have now this is if you have the lonely yellow center. So for this you will have to learn some notation. Now let's talk about notation. Okay, now as we said, let's talk about notation. Okay, let's get this camera correct. Okay, so notation. What is notation? Notation is the way it will tell you which side you have to move. So this is called F. This is called F prime. So if there's a dash, that is known as prime. Okay, so this is U. This is U prime. This is L prime. L prime stands for left. R stands for R. Right hand moves, your left hand moves. So this is L prime. This is R. So this is L and this is R prime. Okay, so let's revise once more. U prime. F prime. L prime. Sorry, L prime. L R prime. Okay, so keep revising these moves. There's also a B prime, D prime. No, sorry, D prime and D. So these moves will not be used. Okay, so if you have a U, if there's after the letter, if there's a two moves, so it means turn the top face twice. So if it's written R2, then it's R2. Turn the right side 2 times. If it's L2, that means turn the left side 2 times. If it's U2, means turn the U side 2 times. And if it's F2, means turn the front face 2 times. Okay, now let's get on with the algorithm. So this algorithm goes as follows: F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now if you have a stick like this is called the stick. So when you have this stick, you orient it like this. So it's going down like this. So F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now if you have an L shape like this, orient it so it's on the 9 and 12 positions of the clock, and then again do the same thing: F, U, R, U prime, R prime, and F prime. Okay. Okay, now to solve the full yellow face. So now to solve the full yellow face, you have to make a cross. So first now your cross is made. Okay, so now when you have two pieces which are already there, so hold these to the left, hold these like this, where there's one in the down, one in the left side, and hold these. So now you do this algorithm R with these to the side, one piece, yellow piece over here in the corner. You might also have to, but for now one. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. I'm doing some fancy finger tricks, but you can just do like that. Okay. So now, like I said before, they can be two. So have those two like this, and then you can do R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Now is to when you have like a fish, this is called a fish in cubing. I don't know why, but it's called like that. So when you have the fish oriented like this, and then you do the same thing, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. You might also have a case where you have done the fish, but it didn't get solved. So you just do again with the same notation, and then it will get solved. Now, in this last step, this is the second last step. So in this step, we have to orient it all of the corner pieces. So for example, if you have two of these which are the same, hold them on the left hand and perform a new algorithm, but only 4 notations are the same, only 4, and after that the other notations are the same one for the R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. So now let's do this. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U prime, R. That must not be 4, but I'm just saying like that. Now you'll have that fish case, as I said, which you will do R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Now before we move on, congratulations, you made to the last step of solving the Rubik's Cube. Okay, now the next one is, now this is one of the cases where none of the pieces are solved. So when none of them are solved, we do this algorithm, R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. Okay, now this one is solved. So hold that back, and then again do your algorithm, R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, and U prime, and that. Okay, now there will be another. Now congratulations, you solved the Rubik's Cube, yay! Now there will be another video which I will be posting in Hindi. So people who are Indian and have not understood this video properly, so you can go and watch the Indian video, which will be coming very soon. So I'll see you guys later. Sayonara.